Hey guys, this is our first wig tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this closure wig from start to finish. If you're new, my name is Joyitohann and I love making hair and DIY videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. So guys, to make this wig, we are going to be needing a dummy head, and I placed my dummy head on a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, you can place your dummy head on a table. You will need a wig cap. This is what my wig cap looks like. You will need your hair of choice and also a closure. In this video, I'm using a 2x6 closure, also known as Kim K closure. You will need a thread and a needle, wig T-pins, and also scissors. So guys, the first thing to do is to place your wig cap on the dummy head, and what I also love doing is securing the sides of the wig cap. This is just to keep the wig cap in place and prevent it from moving around. So guys, I'm placing the closure just right in front of the wig cap, and also make sure it's like at the center of the wig cap, and I'm securing them with T-pins. I love securing my closures, my tracks, because it just removes the stress. When you don't have something to like secure them, they tend to move around, and honestly it can be so annoying and stressful. So now you will need to thread your needle. This is my needle and I have knotted it. Now it's time to sew around the edges of our closure. Guys, this process is very easy. You just have to pass the needle beneath the wig cap and through your closure. And when you do that, you make 2 knots so that sewing is secured and it doesn't unravel, okay? This process is actually very simple and explanatory, and it's also very repetitive. This is what we are going to do throughout the wig making process. So guys, at this point we're done sewing the closure and it's time to remove the T-pins, and this is what the closure is looking like up close. This is what the tracks are looking like, and after doing the closure, it's time to sew in our bundles. So guys, to start sewing, personally I like doubling my tracks, and as usual I would be securing them with T-pins because it just makes my sewing process really easy. If you don't have T-pins, you can make use of butt pins. I'm not sure if that's their real name, but I'll put a picture of what I'm talking about on the screen. Now guys, after securing, we can now start sewing. At this point, I'm using the same sewing technique I used at the beginning while sewing our closure, which is just passing your needle under the track and through the net and making 2 knots just to make sure that sewing is secured. And we're just going to be repeating the same process all through the wig, okay? And also what I love doing is using double tracks while starting the wig, and as we get to the top of the wig, which is like really close to the closure, I begin to sew with just single tracks. This is just to prevent that bulkiness you might have at the top of your wig, and also if you want your wig to like lay really flat. So guys, this is what the tracks are looking like sewn, and once you sew to the end of the wig cap, just flip the tracks to the other side, to the opposite direction, secure it with the wig pin, and continue sewing, guys. That's just all we're going to be doing throughout this wig making. So guys, at this point I exhausted a bundle and I just want to show you how I added another one. It's very easy, guys. I just passed the needle through the track, secured it, and continue sewing. And guys, for me it takes me about an hour 30 minutes to 2 hours to make a wig, and I don't think that is too long compared to how much I would spend to make it at the salon. Let me know in the comment section if this inspired you to make your own wig. It's very easy, it's very simple. You can try to make your wig yourself, okay? So guys, now we are at the top and really close to the closure. At this part, guys, I love sewing just single tracks because I don't want the top of my wig to be looking bulky, okay? So this is like a very good tip. If you don't want the top of your wig to look bulky, at this point, reduce the double track to a single track. So guys, after sewing this line, I flipped the track over and started sewing the track with the edge of the closure. So guys, this is what the track and the closure is looking like up close. And after sewing the track round the closure, you are done with your wig. You can curl your hair if you want, you can straighten your hair if you want. Well, for me in this video, I straightened my hair because it's a straight wig. And you're done, guys. You can rock your wig knowing fully well that you made it yourself. Honestly, I really can't explain that feeling. So guys, at this point we're done making a wig. Yay! And I had excess track, so I'm just cutting it off and also sewing it down multiple times just to make sure the track is secured. And guys, we are done. I really enjoyed doing this, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you're going to be making your own wig. And thank you so much, guys, for your likes, for your comments, and most importantly, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. My name is Joyitohann once again. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.